So we're going to put a lighting kit in this Chicken Caravan 30, and the lighting is just to take out the troughs of winter where you've got the short days. You can just lengthen those days a little bit with artificial lighting. This will improve the lay rate of your chickens. So to fit the lighting kit, it's quite easy. We've got double-sided tape on the back of the actual lights, so you can stick it in place, and this will hold in place while you can put your screws in. So very easy and fast to fit. So I've just stuck the lights in place with the tape provided. Now I'm going to use some P-clips and tech screws just to attach it in place. So on the other side of the Chicken Caravan, I'm now just going to cable tie that wire in place, and then I can plug it into the control box. I'm just going to turn the lights on and off just to make sure they're working. So to set the lights, you want to hold down manual for a couple of seconds, let it go, and then scroll down arrow until it comes to lights. Push the right arrow, and then you go auto mode, and I want to go enabled. So it's enabled, okay. And then auto mode lights, auto times. I've gone down to auto times, I go right to go into it. So AM on, I want them to come on at 5 AM. I go okay. And then I go off. I want it to go off at 6 AM because the sun's up by 6 AM at this time. So I'm just going to go 6. So 6 AM, okay. So in the evening I want them to come on at 6 PM. So that's 1800 hours, okay. And then lights off, PM. I want them to go off at 7 PM at night. So they come on at 6 o'clock at night and off at 7 PM. So I want them off at 1900 hours, which will be 7 PM, okay? So I've got AM on, AM off, PM on, PM off. So the auto mode is enabled, and I go okay. In less than 30 days from installing the light kit, I got this message. Just wanted to let you know that we went from getting approximately 18 eggs a day from our 27 chooks to 27 a day now, and absolutely put it down to the LED light you installed.